Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this video, we're going to go over the introduction to Unit 4, Lesson 1, all about systems of power. Let's start with our statement of inquiry. As usual, you will follow along with the video and do as directed. Our statement of inquiry, or our central idea of our unit, is this. Privilege and authority affects systems of power and can create conflict. Thinking about that definition, you're going to come down to the what do you think this statement means and rewrite it in your own words. Don't get hung up on this bit. Look at this statement without learning anything about it yet and just give us what do you think. Take at most 2 or 3 minutes to complete this section. Pause now and write what you think this statement might mean. Alright, let's take a look at our keywords and practice for this unit. We're going to break down that statement of inquiry so that you know what to do. Start with the word privilege. Privilege means a special right, advantage, or immunity granted or available only to a particular person or group. Perhaps as a member of your family, you have certain privileges that perhaps your younger siblings don't because you are in high school and they are younger. You have that advantage based on who you are. Our next word is authority. This means a person or organization having power or control in a particular, typically political or administrative sphere. In other words, someone in charge. And finally, we have conflict, and this is a serious disagreement or argument. In other words, a problem. So we've written our definitions, and now it's your job to draw a picture that represents each definition. So for each definition that's above, you will draw some kind of picture or image that represents the definition that you wrote here. So pause the video and draw your 3 pictures now. Finally, let's work with those words and practice using them in context. The first one is about privilege. So how might someone with unlimited amounts of money be privileged compared to someone with financial limits? Pause the video and answer that question here now. Our question about authority says, who is someone who has authority in our society? Pause the video and write that person or institution here. Our final word, conflict. The question says, what is one conflict you have witnessed in U.S. society? So again, think on that, pause the video, and write that here.